The issue of physical exercise in school is something that we will be discussing with our JTA colleagues and teachers, because the challenge is when we look at the curriculum, as I've been explaining to persons, that we just have to be creative, because physical activity does not necessarily mean you have to have PE as a session or teach physical education. It is having within our school a culture that have physical activities for students and our staff members to do. Now, within the actual delivery of our lessons, how do we engender and promote physical activities, whether inside the classroom or taking our children outside the classroom, even in terms of our assessment, how we promote play and activities as part of our instruction. So they are not separate, but they are complementary, because there are activities that students can do based on the direction we give them as teachers that can form part of our assessment regime. We have to organize for them to have a lot of physical activities at school and make learning fun. Of course, we can use the concepts of running or walking long distances and the lifting of weights to teach basic concepts about math and science. When we help our children to make the link, therefore, between the theory and the practical and the application, real education would then have taken place. Our classes and our schools are so boring. And the kids, so why do you think they're always wanted to go on and play computer games and all? They always want to play. Kids like to play. So that's why we're encouraging more of our schools to look at having some of the physical activities at all levels, right up to grade 13 and at the university. Over the past decade, in study after study in animals and people, exercise has been shown to improve the ability to learn and remember, memory. With our young people's preference for computer games and a more sedentary lifestyle, obesity and lethargy have increased among the youth. So, in Jamaica, that is obviously becoming a problem. Exercise in physical health is going to transmit to sound mind. Physical fitness, sound mind, learning is going to be far more optimized. And we as teachers and so on, not only are we going to be more energetic, we're going to be less miserable, more tolerant, more loving, and happy we all will be.